In today's video, we will be comparing two popular power supply units, the Thermaltake Smart BX1 750W and the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 2. We'll explore their specifications, performance, and value to help you decide which one is right for your PC build. Let's dive in. The Thermaltake Smart BX1 offers a power output of 750 watts, which is sufficient for most mid-range gaming systems. In contrast, the Cooler Master MWE Gold provides a higher wattage of 850 watts, making it a better choice for high-performance builds that require more power. This additional wattage can accommodate more components and ensure stable performance during demanding tasks. When it comes to efficiency, the Thermaltake Smart BX1 is rated at 80+ bronze, which provides decent energy efficiency. However, the Cooler Master MWE Gold boasts an 80+ gold certification, indicating superior efficiency and lower energy consumption. This means that the Cooler Master will not only save you money on electricity bills, but also generate less heat, contributing to a cooler system overall. The Thermaltake Smart BX1 features a non-modular design, which can make cable management a bit challenging, especially in compact cases. On the other hand, the Cooler Master MWE Gold is fully modular, allowing you to use only the cables you need. This not only improves airflow within your case, but also simplifies the installation process, making it a more user-friendly option for builders. In conclusion, the Thermaltake Smart BX175OW is a solid budget option for users who need a reliable power supply without the need for high wattage or modularity. Meanwhile, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850V2 stands out with its higher wattage, better efficiency, and modular design, making it ideal for high-performance builds. Consider your specific needs and budget when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.